Hello again, ladies and gents. Okay, so the next and final lesson for our patterning unit, you'll see it's on page 428, describing geometric patterns. And this here, please look at frame 1 to 4 on page 430. So at this moment, pause the video, pull up your textbook, and flip to page 430, because you do kind of need to look at that picture, okay? Okay, welcome back. Hopefully you have page 430 up. This is what you were looking for, okay? So picture frames are decorated with square tiles in the pattern shown. So these are the picture frames going around. Each tile has a side length of 1 centimeter, and the pattern continues. You can see frame 1, frame 2, the picture gets wider, frame 3, frame 4. So the height's the same, it just keeps getting wider all the time. And first thing it asks us, find the area of the pictures in the frames. So area, we are talking about length times width, all right? So this would be a 2 by 3. This would be 3 by 3. This would be 3 by 4 and 3 by 5. So it's the area inside of the frames that we're discussing. So we'll flip back to the lesson. So you can see they made kind of that term number, term value chart. Again, they've decided in the textbook to show it going sideways instead of vertical like we were doing with the patterns yesterday that you were solving. But it's the same idea. Instead of term number, we have frame. So like which frame we were just looking at, the first one, the second, third, or fourth. And then instead of term value, they have the area that was there in centimeters squared. And as I was describing, the first one was 3 long, 2 wide. It gives us an area of 6. The next one was 3 by 3 to give us an area of 9. The next one was 3 by 4 for an area of 12. And the last one was 3 by 5 for an area of 15. Okay, so again, it's just term number, term value chart to organize your numbers. The next thing they asked us for is the pattern rule. So we see 6, 9, 12, 15. So we're starting at 6, and we went up 3, went up 3, went up 3. So start at 6, add 3 each time. Next thing they're asking for is for us to graph the pattern. So again, naming which frame it is, the area, so we know what these numbers mean. First frame had an area of 3, second frame had an area of 6, then 9, then 12, and we could predict if we saw the fifth frame that it would have an area of 15 right up here. Okay? Then they want an algebraic expression for the picture of the frame. Well, we saw that they were going up 3 each time. So we know, okay, that's going to be 3 multiplied by n. And then if we tried that, I'll just flip back to this. Okay, so 3n, 3 times 1 would be 3. We need 6. So it got us to 3, but we need 3 more. So let's add 3. So that gives us 6. And we'll try that for this one. 3 times 2 is 6, plus another 3 is 9, looking good. 3 times 3 is 9, plus another 3 is 12. Okay, we got 3 in a row to work it. We know that it's 3n plus 3. And finally, it says find the area of the picture frame in 99. So now that we have the nth term, we can use that to find the value for any term. They want the 99th term, no problem. We're going to write down 3n plus 3, replace n with 99, and then you just follow the math. 3 times 99, 297, plus another 3, 300. And that's it. So the skills that you're using for this is the exact same as what you've done before. It's just now you are going to be using it to solve actual patterns that exist in real life. Okay, so what's the area of the picture frame? Some of the other things you'll encounter in the textbook, how many toothpicks make up the figures? What's the perimeter or area of the pattern they're showing you? How many people can sit around the table at a wedding, depending on how they're organized? All that kind of stuff. And then again, number 6, the assessment focus. I would like a picture of that sent to me with number 6 done out in its entirety, please, so that I get an idea of how you're doing with this. And I think that's it for now. Okay. You know how to get in touch if you need anything. Bye for now.